How to get a Shopify free trial. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now search for free Shopify trial. Here you want to click on the start a free trial now option, which will take you to the official website of Shopify. Now once you get here, you want to enter your email address. Here it says you can sign up for a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 per month on select plans. So go ahead and enter your email address over here, then click on the start free trial option. Now you will have to create a password. Make sure that you create a strong one. After that, click on the Create Shopify account option. Now you want to select your preferred plan, or if you want to do this later, you can click on the skip option. Now Shopify will ask you a couple of questions such as where would you like to sell? What size is your business? Do you currently sell on any other platforms? Simply select your answer and then click on the next option for all of these questions. Once that is done, as you can see, your new Shopify account has been set. Now for 3 days, you will get a free trial. Then select a plan and you can get first 3 months for $1 per month. And in this way, you can get a Shopify free trial. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.